Welcome to another episode of Learn Things with Ben and Evan. Today we will be exploring a mine shaft using a GoPro.
A 300-foot shaft.
Is it really?
I believe so. So do be careful there.
This is why old mines are dangerous. I need a rock. Alright, I got a decent sized one.
Okay, that'll work.
Assuming we actually hear it hit the bottom.
Right. I don't think that's 300 feet.
And stop. .92 seconds. That was like a half a second.
I have some paracord in my car. What if we...
Do you have a good flashlight?
Of course.
Yeah, let's try it. If we rigged it across here, straight across, then you can just lower it straight down.
We could get one of my straps or something, and I could have one of you guys on the other side, and we could just use that.
Yeah,
Slower
we can just put it on here. Hey, look at this incline shaft. That's an interesting one. That looks recent.
So that's the kind of stuff you don't want to find at night.
Alright guys, what are we about to do?
We are about to drop a GoPro down a mine shaft at an old mica mine.
With a socket right here to balance it, and right over here on the side, a light so we can actually see at the bottom. So hopefully this turns out cool, and we're going to see it from my phone because you can connect them via Bluetooth these days, so that's pretty cool. So stay tuned to see what happens next. Alright, so, what'd you think of that shaft? That was pretty cool. Alright, so, as it said, we found a second shaft. So we decided to send the GoPro down that one again. It's kind of neat. Look at these roots. You can see those there. Sorry for the wobbliness, but hey, it's hanging on a string. So what you're seeing, that kind of sparkly glint, that's actually the muscovite micas that are in that schist. You know, as I think I've said before, schist is a metamorphic rock, so it's mainly made of, you know, muscovites, biotite, feldspars, quartz, stuff like that. But it comes from something like a shale. So notice these what look like little footholds over there, those little holes in the wall. You can see the pick marks. assume those are footholds. I don't actually know, but I think they are. So there you can see the pick marks real good. It looks like those are some veins of quartz there, the kind of lighter whitish gray kind of color. Oops, sorry for the swinging around like that. So here we can see that they dug down and then they dug in horizontally. So that's kind of cool. You can see more of those what look like quartz veins, the light whitish stuff. But it looks like it's filled in a bit. Even if we had a rope, I probably wouldn't go in that, that's for sure. Turns out, looks like a deer fell in here years ago. Oh, here we go, spinning around. But you'll see the deer ribs down in there, in that little nook. Okay, so here we decided to drop Evan's meter down there just to see if we get any interesting anomalous readings. Not really, though.
Thank you for watching this episode. We hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next one, coming up soon.